A bad system will beat a good person every time. That is a quote from one of my all-time innovation heroes, Dr. Edwards Deming. Dr. Deming believed that it was never the person, it was the process that produced the outcomes you want to see. I have lived by that mantra my whole life. I was lucky enough to be introduced to Dr. Deming in my mid-20s, and it guided everything I did subsequently. So the lens that I look through is, what is the process that I've employed to produce the result I have or I wish to receive? It could be I need to make a decision. So it's not what decision I make, it's what's the process or the system that I use to make that decision. If I need to innovate, what is the process? What is the system? What is the methodology I need to innovate or to improve or to invent or to fix something that's broken? All of those things require different processes and systems to be successful and get good at the outcome you want to receive. Too often we see, particularly in large enterprise, that people get blamed for poor outcomes. Actual fact, it's the process that is responsible for poor outcomes. And if you live by that mantra and you see that mantra in action, you'll know I'm right. Good process leads to the outcomes you want to see. Good process drives out bad behavior. Good process enshrines productivity. It hardwires in diversity and inclusion. Good process is really your friend when it comes to innovating. And in just over 6 days' time, the Innovators Toolkit goes on sale. It is the combination of years of expertise, experience, intellect, and everything has gone into this incredible program. It teaches you how to do what we do at Wayv Hello. Most days, we're working with the world's best brands to help them solve their product and innovation challenges. We do that successfully and reliably, and the way we've built our reputation is being able to produce those kind of results time and time again, reliably and consistently. Everything that's in the toolkit are the processes, the systems, the exercises, the workshops, the sprints that we use to produce the outcomes we want to see. Despite the people you might have to work with, despite the agendas or the priorities or the infrastructure, whatever it may be, a good process will protect you and the outcomes you want to see. And they're all in the Innovators Toolkit: design thinking, agile, lean, design sprints. We break them down, we simplify them, we show you how they work, we show you how to apply the principles that drive their success every single day in really small and simple ways, but also in more complex ways. So as you're solving complex problems, we give you workshops to solve them. Inside the Innovators Toolkit are 3 things: the on-demand lessons, which is the expertise of the entire team and some incredibly big thinkers like Dr. Deming brought to bear so you can simply understand exactly how they work, exactly what they mean to you in day-to-day work. 2, there's live coaching with our senior consultants. So these aren't trainers, they're not people speaking from a script, they've not been working for 2 or 3 years, they've been working for 15 and 20. They're serious heavyweights. They are the ones working with these top brands all around the world every day on workshops and sprints and projects that solve difficult, complex design, product, and innovation challenges, specifically within large enterprises. So they know exactly the problems you're facing and they can help you understand the tools, the processes, and the systems to work around them and get the most out of your innovation efforts. And then lastly, also included in the program is the toolkit, which is the templates, the facilitator guides and notes, the instructions, everything you need to use the same workshops, same exercises, same system that we use to reliably innovate every single time. So 6 days' time, check out wayvhello.com for more information about the toolkit. Also, our early bird pricing is 50% off. Register now and you get access to that pricing. After that, it goes on sale at the full price. So go check out the value, check out the system, and remember the words and the sentiments of Dr. Deming. It's never the person, always the process. Upgrade your processes now and have an easier time of it and do your best work.